Where's Brayden? I hear Brayden. But where did he go? Where's Brayden? Oh, where's Brayden? There he is! Eating Mommy's candles. Yeah. That's non-toxic, isn't it? Can I have this, please? Thank you. Oh, I know. So disappointing. Are you going to come out and get Mommy now? What you doing? What you doing? You know, Brayden, you have a whole land of play toys. And a tunnel. And pillows. And a sleeping dog to go play with. Instead, you want the two things that I'm telling you shouldn't have. Well, now, Mommy needs to have her skirt on. No, we're going to go put these away. Let's go find something more fun. Yeah, let's go find something that's even more fun. Okay. Let's go find something else. Look at this. Oh, Mommy moved. Oh, Mommy. Mommy. Mama, I know. What's that? Too soon. In the air we fly. Something most long won't you too. He's like, where's all the little balls?
It's music time.
They're everywhere. Everywhere, I tell you. We have little plastic helicopter toys. Everywhere. Here's some. What are these, Brayden? Here you go. Oh, there's the red one. There's the blue one. Want me to help? Put it in.
It's music time.
Push it. Red. Get it from this side. Let me help. We gotta push down right here. Oh.
It's music time.
Uh-oh. You're starting to push on them. You're starting to push on them. Can you push down? Good job! Can you push down? Can you push down? Good job, Brayden! All right. Can you push down? You push down. You did it! Good boy! Yes. Can you push down? You push down? Push down here. He's like, what's taking it so long? What's the hold up? Can you push down? Can you push down? Got it. You almost got it. Here. That one was a little rough. That one was a little rough. Yeah. Can you do this one? This one's easy. This one's easy. You did it all by yourself. You're so smart. Can you push this one? Yay! Yay! Yay, Brayden! Can you do it? Yep. That one's a little rough. That one's a little hard to do. Can you do it all by yourself? Can you do it all by yourself? You're trying to push down. There you go! Push down just a little bit. There you go. You want to give Mommy one? You want to give Mommy one of those? Thank you. Oh, not really. There we go. Thank you, baby boy. Can I help? Can I help? There you go. Can you do it? Yay! We're just getting so excited now. We can't settle down. Here, push this down. Push it down right here. Yay! I think it's supposed to go out the other hole. I really do. I think it's supposed to come out this side. Oh, no, it comes out that side too. Yay! Whoops, Mommy didn't mean to push it that far. Whoops.